I survive or I don't matter. If I pass out, then wake me back up, get back in it. If I throw up, get back in it. Don't really matter. What's the worst that's gonna happen? I die? I lived 36 years of a good life. Oh well, it's game time, baby. Come on.
Yeah! Hell yeah! Come on! That's how you do it! Motherfucker! Yeah! Come on, I got you. Come on.
You know, I think it's a little bit different training what they're used to doing, but you know, what we've been doing with them on Sunday and on Wednesday was a lot different than what we used to doing too. So you know, it's all what you train for. So that being said, man, they did good, man. You know, Tony really showed a lot of intensity. You know, I knew he'd bring it. You know, we were talking before the workout, and I knew Tony would shine, man, because he's got that intensity and got that drive and, you know, no quit attitude, man. So, and that's all it's really about, man. It's just that mental toughness. So your body will do what your mind tells it to do. So I knew he'd finish and do good, and you know, he really stepped up on that last exercise and shined. And you know, John, man, I know John wanted to quit real bad, but to his credit, man, he reached down deep inside of himself and he pulled that shit out, and he finished strong. So I mean, they did good, you know.
It's pretty much what I expected. I expected to just about die from knowing Branch and his training and how intense it is. It's everything I expected and more. The intensity level, the volume, the high weight, and very little rest in between sets keeps your heart rate high, so you're running at a high level the whole entire time.
I mean, this is a workout that's not your grandfather's workout. You're gonna have to have an ice pack probably halfway through, drink a gallon of water throughout the workout. If you're not in bed the night before at a reasonable hour, you're gonna suffer and you're gonna pay the price. So this isn't, you know, for the guy who's going out and having drinks on the weekend and then thinks he's just gonna stroll in here and have that workout.
Hell yeah! I love it. Tony, you're up. Come on.
And then you're doing the power movements at the end compared to usually when you do, you know, you're squatting your primary strength in the beginning. When your legs are already tired, is when you're doing your squatting, when you're doing your hack squats, so it makes it that much harder. And then everything is high reps, heavy weight.
24 years in this motherfucker! I ain't never gonna quit!
One. Come on, come on! No more fucking pain. Don't fucking matter. You either fucking finish or you fucking die. Don't fucking matter. outside and goddamn someplace I was out of pain. That was a lot of motherfucking pain. That was nothing but pain. Fucking brutal. Fucking brutal. That's a wrap.
Been a fun session. Stay tuned and have more to come.